The Daily Code Snippet. So just to review the past week, we learned about the exception of empty elements. Elements typically have an opening and closing tag differentiated by the presence of a /. Empty elements only have an opening tag. We learned about a few common empty elements: the doctype declaration, the line break, the horizontal rule or thematic break, and the image element. As part of learning about adding images to our web page, we learned about the 3 attributes for the image element: source, alt, and title. The source attribute defines the file path so the browser can find your image and load it into the web page. The alt attribute is for alternative text and helps make your image accessible to those who might be using assistive devices. And the title attribute adds additional information that you may want a user to know that may also display as a tooltip when the user hovers over the image. It can be thought of as similar to a caption. Finally, we discuss how one should write alternative text, which should visually describe the image to someone who is unable to access it. Next week, we will continue to discuss images on our web page. We will go back to the source attribute and discuss how to write out a correct file path so the browser can find where we have stored our images. What about height and width attributes? What are the different types of images that are suitable for the web, and how should they be used? And we will discuss how the picture element is different from the image element. Presented by Designers Learn Code.